This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Loosen the right front wheel lug nuts. Raise the front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Once the front of the vehicle is supported, remove the right front wheel. Remove the fasteners for the right front fender well splash shield. Then the splash shield. Remove the access cover and its fasteners to allow access to the drive belt and accessory pulleys. Using a wrench, rotate the drive belt tensioner counterclockwise to release tension on the belt. While doing this, slide the belt off of the pulley and remove the drive belt. Install the new drive belt, first routing the belt in its proper orientation on the accessory pulleys. Rotate the tensioner with a wrench counterclockwise to release the belt tension, then slip the drive belt over the pulley and remove the wrench, applying tension to the belt. Make sure the drive belt is properly seated on all of the pulley's grooves. Reinstall the belt access cover and its fasteners. Reinstall the right front fender well splash shield and its fasteners. Install the right front wheel and its lug nuts. Safely lower the vehicle and tighten the wheel lug nuts to a torque of 100 foot-pounds.